Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. My daughter just graduated high school and we were looking for a balloon arch that matched her colors and style, but would still be tough enough to deal with all the kids at her graduation party. And this beautiful balloon garland from Luxor Party met all of our expectations and more. I love how many different color choices this company offers. We got ours in burgundy pink, but they have a style to match any decor. To be honest, I was a little skeptical about the double balloon design, but I found that these balloons were easy to inflate, and I had no trouble tying the knots and putting them in the garland. I was also impressed by how big you can make this garland. With just one package, I made 2 large columns and still had leftover balloons, tape, and glue stickers. The kit came with everything that I needed to make this beautiful accessory for my daughter's party. It came with lots of balloons in different colors and shapes so that I could mix and match and make a design that I wanted with ease. I was really impressed with the durability of these balloons. I inflated probably over 100 balloons, and I think only 2 of them popped the entire time. The colors are bright and glossy, and I love how they coordinate with each other. So if you're thinking about a balloon garden for your next graduation party, wedding, or baby shower, then I think you'll love this beautiful balloon garland from Luxor Party. And that's my point of view.